the way to Exmouth.
Hi, we're the Travelling Teens, and we love our life of adventure.
From the mountains to the sea. So we've just come into Exmouth and we're on our way down Cape Rain National Park. As part of it here, we're on the right hand side, just over that sand dune, is Ningaloo Reef. So we've scored a campsite for a couple of days at I think it's called North Carryong. This is our campsite. We haven't set up a tent yet, it's a bit windy, but if you can see up in the distance there, we've got a party going on at the deck, watching the sunset. What a great spot. We've met all this bunch this afternoon. They're as happy as Larry. And got the camp host up here. Look at this place. What a wicked spot. What a way to finish a day. Great ride. Watching the sunset over Ningaloo Reef. Yardie Creek goes up in the Yardie Gorge. The campground's all the way along that way as well. Go and have a bit of a look. Yardie Creek's down that way to the left. That's Osprey. We're about, where we're camped, it's about another 10 or 15 kilometres up that way called Carryon. Have a go at that. Looking at Ningaloo Reef, it's the closest point. It's about 300 metres to the reef. JJ's down there just getting dressed. We're leaving this morning. There's a camp kitchen, toilets, good undercover area over there. Watch the sunsets. It's a great fishing area, great for snorkeling. There's a reserve up there, a turtle area, but what a fantastic place. Can't wait to come back. Hope anyone gets a chance to come over to Exmouth and Cape Range. It's well worth the visit. Fantastic camping. rocking up into Coral Bay after leaving Exmouth. Look at that, all snorkeling, diving, Igloo Reef still outside there. It goes forever. Well, that's what you don't want to see. The 1200 in the back of a car. Yep. GSA. Probably broken down. Joe's little 310 just passed the big 1200. Just arrived in Carnarvon, WA. And we're looking for, we haven't had any accommodation since, I think it was Darwin. So we've been tenting it for about 3 weeks. So we just spoil ourselves, get a good shower and a bit of a feed, and Joe's going to do some washing. But anyway, we've pulled up at the Coral Coast Tourism Park, and we've got these little dongers, like, what are they? They're containers, old containers, done up with a little kitchen and double bed. You got your showers out the back. Anyway, TV, got free Wi-Fi, $105. Can't not take it on. It's if anyone's coming this way and they need accommodation, this is a great spot. They've got a fire going on tonight. We've got a great camp kitchen, pool, and the caravan park's chockers. So people are really friendly. Stoked that we found this joint, Carnarvon. We made it to the Quobba Lighthouse. Oh my god, it's blowing. I don't know. I think the bike's going to blow over. Oh my god. I think the blowholes are down that way. I was watching them just. Yeah, that's it there. Look at the blowholes. Woo! Look at this place. Wild. Wild. Woo. All right, Dan, you keep a look at the road, I'll look at the cars. Nothing on your left, nothing on your right. You're good to go. Yep, no problem. Alright, go and have a look at these blowholes, eh? Lighthouse up there. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this latest episode. Kick back and just have a look at the amazing waves that smash on the shores of Quobba. This slow-mo around the blowhole area is absolutely amazing.